Hi, I'm Jamie from Drive Time, and we're doing the entire show. I've got the microphone and everything live from Eastgate Street today. It is the Christmas light switch on here in Chester. We're going to have the parade coming through the streets in the next 5 to 10 minutes or so. There's going to be snow on Eastgate Street as well, just over in that direction there, and look out for the parade and the fireworks later.
As our magical Santa bus, we've got the Dee 106.3 team downstairs. Give us a wave. Julian Lynn from the D team.